Paul at Carwood Restoration. Here we have a set of door cappings from a Rolls-Royce Spirit, and you can see the polyester lacquer is peeling off on the dark tops and on the faces of the veneer here, and we're going to remove all the lacquer and re-lacquer them with fresh polyester lacquer. You can see the lacquer has gone so opaque that it's in fact turned yellow, so you can't see the veneer at all through the lacquer. You can only see yellow lacquer. Paul from Carwood Restoration. Here we have a Rolls-Royce Spirit set of door cappings, 4 door cappings, the rear ones here and the front ones, and we've stripped all the opaque peeling lacquer off and the discoloured tops, and we've restained the tops and re-lacquered it with fresh polyester lacquer, and then it's been polished. But there's Rolls-Royce Spirit door cappings.